this tutorial I'm going to explain you about for loops in Python. So let me open PyCharm. This is a hello world.py project. Now for loops are basically a type of loop which is used to loop around a certain list or an array. You can call it whatever you want. A dictionary or any type of data structure which has multiple elements. So for making a for loop, you first need to type the for keyword. After that, you can just type in the typing for, you need to assign a variable. So in this case, I'll just type in letter. After this, you can type in, and then inside double quotes, you can just type in any string. In this case, I'll just type my name. Oh, and then after this, whatever you will write, whatever you will type after this indent will be executed till the for loop loops inside the string. So in this case, I'll just print letter. So I'll just say print letter. You can run the program now. You can see that it is printing out my name, but each letter in each line. So you can even give ranges here. So if I type range here, and now after this I can just type in a number. So I'll just type in this case random. Suppose I say 7, and now I just change this to num. Here too. Now when you run the program, you can see that it is printing out 0 to 6 but not 7. This range function will help you to loop around a certain between two numbers. By default, if you don't give the starting position of the range function, it will by default start from 0. So you can, as you can see, that it is starting from 0. So now if I just type in 3 here, so the range will start from 3 and then end at 6, but end at 7 but not print 7. So now when you run the program, you can see it is printing 3 4 5 6, as it starts from 3 and then 4 5 and then 6 but not 7. So these are some basics of for loops in Python.